Hello friends, myself Amit Gupta, faculty in Point University Law. My topic is registration of trademark in India. According to section 2Z of the Trademark Act 1999, trademark means a mark capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of other and may include shape of goods, their packing and combination of colors. A mark can include a device, brand, heading, label, tickets, name, signature, word, letter, numeral, shape of goods, packing or combination of color or any such combination. What is trademark? A trademark is a distinguishing sign which identifies the goods and services of one company for those of another. Trademark help consumer to identify and choose between product services based on their mark. History of trademark. The law of trademark in India before 1940 was based on the common law principle of passing off and equity as follows in the England before the enactment of the first Registration Act 1875. The first statutory law related to trademark in India was the Trademark Act 1940, which had similar provision like the UK Trademark Act 1938. In 1958, the Trademark and Mercantile Mark Act 1958 was enacted, which consolidated the provision related to trademark content in other statutes like the Indian Penal Code, Criminal Procedure Code and the Sea Custom Act. The Trademark and Mercantile Mark Act 1958 was repealed by the Trademark Act 1999 and is the current governing law related to registered trademark. The 1999 Act was enacted to comply with the provision of the TRIPS. Through some aspect of the unregistered trademark have been enacted into 1999 Act, but they are primarily governed by the common law rules based on the principle involved out of the judgment of the court. Where the law is ambiguous, the principle involved, the interpretation made by the court in England have been applied in India taking into a consideration to content our legal procedure, law and related to the TRIPS. A trademark may be designated by the following symbol. TM is an unregistered trademark, that is a mark used to promote or brand goods. SM or an unregistered service mark, that is a mark used to promote or brand services. R for a registered trademark. One type of intellectual property is trademark. If you are starting a new business or trade, a logo, name or signature is the first thing you choose to separate yourself from the rest. A trademark is that symbol you will use to do so. Registered a trademark is a legal process provided for the under Trademark Act 1999. Types of trademark available. Name include your own name or surname. An invented word or any arbitrary dictionary word or words. It does not need to descriptive or characters or quality of the goods or services. Letter of numeral of any combination. Symbol, monograms, combination of colors or even a single color in combination with the words or device. Shape of goods or their packing. Mark constituted three-dimensional sign. Sound marks which represent in conventional notation in words by being graphically represented. Name of the classes. The 4th schedule of Trademark Act Rules 2002 classify with the actual articles or apparatus except where such part constitute article include in other classes. Classification of goods in class 1 to 34, classification of service in class 35 to 43. Why register? To have an exclusive right, stop other for cropping, certificate of ownership, document requirement of trademark registration, a soft copy of logo in JPG format, TM48, form of authorization, date of first use of mark, name and address of the proprietor of the mark और जो डिपार्टमेंट के रिक्वायरमेंट फीस है वो होती है. How to make a trademark application? आपको ट्रेडमार्क एप्लीकेशन कैसे आप बनाएंगे? You will need to do a pre-filing search before filing your trademark. Once you registered your trademark, you will be issued an official receipt with a TM number. Then an examination report is filed within 3 months from application. You will get a response to your registration either by an affidavit or hearing by an interview. As you defeat objection raised by the registrar, your application is then published in the Indian Trademark Journal with an endorsement stating either that it has been accepted or it has been published before acceptance. Once it is published, any person has 3 months, which can be extended to a month at the registrar discretion, to file a notice of opposition to registrar. Acceptance or refusal of your trademark application will be considered once the opposition proceeding have been completed. Advantage of trademark registration. Trademark or service marks allow people to identify the source of goods or services, not the product or services themselves. When people see your trademark, they will know where the product comes from or who is providing the services. Trademark can be name, symbol, packing and shape of a product, the color of a product, the sounds or accent associated with the product, or any combination of these. If a customer can identify the source of a product or services based on the trademark, then you have developed secondary meaning and have a strong trademark to promote, protect and keep your business from being confused with another. You should consider establish a trademark for your business. Once you obtain a trademark, you should vigorously defend it. Duration of trademark. The term of registration of a trademark is 10 years. They may be renewed for the further period of 10 years on payment of the renewal fees. For renewal for a registration trademark, TM12, renewal fees is 5,000. Cost of trademark transaction. To file a new application for there are set from depending on the nature of your application. To file a notice of opposition to oppose an application published on the Trademark Journal, a form TM5. For renewal of a registered trademark, surcharge for late renewal, restoration of renewal mark. Conclusion. The trademark is for protecting the name of the product or services rather the product itself. Trademark assures the customer about the source of a product. Through the quality of the product is not assured by the trademark. The trademark should be distinctive type. Descriptively similar marks, geographical names, etc. can be registered as a trademark. In India, the Trademark Act of 1999 is presently in force. The term of trademark protection is 10 years, which can be renewed from time to time. Trademark can be assigned or transmit. Use descriptively similar mark, falsing the marks of using unregistered trademark cause infringement under Trademark Act. Thanks.